name is Sean Lucas. I'm operations manager. I've been part of the surface team for the last 15 years. Currently we're at our sites camp where we have our accommodation unit on the left hand side, our lab, our office. Behind me you will find our Koura blender, specialized bitumen sprayer, and our storage unit. You can see the team behind me. We are a team that consists of 10 people, 2 sprayer drivers, 2 assistants, 2 mechanics, 2 blender operators, the supervisor, lab assistant, and then myself. Currently we are in the Klein Karoo, Ladismith, Western Cape, where we are doing resurfacing with Koura bitumen. If you wonder where all the tires are going in South Africa and in the world, they're going back on the road. So what we're doing here, as you have seen in the videos before, that we are resurfacing with recycled tire rubbers, which we call bitumen rubber, or formerly known as SR2 or long life rubber. Bitumen rubber is a non-homogeneous product that has a straight run 7-100, a fair amount of rubber crumbs, and a small amount of aromatic oils. Bitumen rubber can be sprayed on a road surface, temperatures anything between 185 and 200 degrees. It is very good, especially with surface cracks in excess of 5 millimeters. Also, you have minimal bleeding, where you have your conventional bitumen products or polymer binders that will bleed at the high temperatures that we spray at. We are spraying SR2 here in Ladismith with Henry Civils. Our client is a provincial administration of Western Cape. We are doing about 30 to 40,000 liters a day. We're using a 13 millimeter stone at the application rate of 2 liters per square. Today we started a little bit early because the road temperature was favorable. The minimum temperature for the road must be 25 degrees and increasing. That's all for me, but if you ever wonder where all the tires are going, it will be recycled, crushed down to a specific grading. It will go back onto the road. So next time when you drive on the road, remember that everything is recyclable and everything can be reused.